Let us learn, understand, and succeed. Welcome to Life Sciences with Tabang. In our previous lesson, we learned about the structure of DNA and genes. Today, we are going to learn how DNA copies itself before a cell divides, that is, by a process called DNA replication. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define DNA replication, explain when and why DNA replication occurs, describe the process of DNA replication step by step. So, let us begin. What is DNA replication? DNA replication is the process by which DNA makes an identical copy of itself. Think of it as making a perfect photocopy of a document. The copy contains the same information as the original DNA molecule. When does DNA replication occur? DNA replication occurs during interphase, just before a cell divides. It takes place before mitosis and meiosis. This ensures that enough DNA is available for the new cell that will be produced. Why does DNA replication occur? It produces identical copies of DNA. It ensures that each daughter cell receives the same genetic information. It ensures that each daughter cell has the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. Without DNA replication, the new cells will not receive complete genetic instructions. How does DNA replication occur? Step 1. The DNA double helix unwinds. The DNA double helix opens up, preparing for DNA copying. Step 2. The DNA unzips. The weak hydrogen bonds between the complementary nitrogenous bases break. The two DNA strands separate from each other. Each original strand is now exposed. Let us move to step 3. Each strand becomes a template. Each original DNA strand acts as a template. A template is simply a guide that helps build new complementary strand. Step 4. Free nucleotides attach. Free nucleotides found in the nucleoplasm move towards the exposed DNA strands. They pair according to the complementary base pairing rule. Adenine pairs with thymine, cytosine pairs with guanine. This ensures an accurate copy of the DNA. Step 5. Two identical DNA molecules are formed. Each DNA molecule contains one original strand. Each DNA molecule contains one newly formed strand. This is called semi-replication. The result is two genetically identical DNA molecules. The entire process is controlled by enzymes. Quick summary. You need to remember these 5 steps. 1. DNA unwinds. 2. DNA unzips. 3. Original strands act as template. 4. Complementary nucleotides attach. 5. Two identical DNA molecules are formed. Now, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Life Sciences with Tabang. Thanks for watching.